this. How fun is that? Wow, this place has really grown since the last time I was here. Ooh, that looks good. So we've got some pizza bites here. Ooh. Yes, please. I can smell the garlic on them. Pizza bite. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. Look at that. Look what she gave me. $50. That's a cutie. Look at that. Guys, these are all 2020 vintage. We need to get over here. Look at this. I wanted this one, but it was too big for me, so I can't get it because it's way too big. This is really nice. It's so soft. It's a fringe fest up in here. Yeah. Woo! I love it. Look at this. OMG. What should we name him? Ooh, and she gave me a $50 off because she loves me. Like, do you know him? Is he a stranger danger or do you know him, Monica? Thank you.
You're a funny girl.
What's your name?
My name's Joe.
Joe, nice to meet you. Erica.
Erica. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto,
You're
senor.
some kind of wonderful too.
And you cut your hair.
Yeah, I
And
did.
it's so, did you do it?
Did I cut my hair myself? Why are you asking?
You would do something like
My road dog pig. Place doesn't even look like a road. It's in the middle of nowhere. Where are we? I hope we're not lost. Look,